Welcome to Sassy Billa English Speaking Course by Arnav Dubey. Ready to sound more like a native English speaker? In this lesson, we're going to supercharge your conversational skills. We'll start with a quick review of 10 essential phrases, and then we'll dive into 18 more advanced, modern responses that you can start using at work and in your daily life. Let's begin with a rapid recap. For each phrase, I'll say it, explain its meaning, and give a quick example. Listen closely. 1. I get what you mean. I understand. 2. That depends on the situation. The answer can change. 3. I'm still figuring it out. I'm deciding. 4. It didn't cross my mind. I didn't think about it. 5. That's fair enough. That's reasonable. 6. I'll keep that in mind. I will remember it. 7. I'm not entirely convinced. I'm not fully sure. 8. That makes a lot of sense. I understand clearly. 9. I didn't mean it that way. My intention was different. And 10. Let's see how it goes. We will wait and observe. Great. Now that you've got those down, let's move on to the more advanced phrases. These are very common in modern workplaces and casual conversations. Remember to repeat the examples after me to practice your pronunciation. Ready? 11. I'm aligned with that. This is a professional way to say, I agree. Example. I'm aligned with that approach. 12. That tracks. This means that makes logical sense, or it's consistent with the information I have. Example. Given the data, that tracks. 13. I'm not sold yet. Use this when you're still unconvinced or have doubts about an idea. Example. I'm not sold yet on this plan. 14. Let me push back a bit. This is a polite and professional way to introduce a disagreement. Example. Let me push back a bit on the timeline. 15. Can you unpack that? This is a great way to ask someone to please explain in more detail. Example. Can you unpack that last point? 16. I'm leaning toward. This means you have a slight preference for one option over another. Example. I'm leaning toward option B. 17. Works for me. A simple and casual way to say something is acceptable to you. Example. Tuesday afternoon works for me. 18. I'm swamped. This is a common idiom that means I'm extremely busy. Example. Sorry, I'm swamped this week. 19. I'm on it. A confident response that means I'm taking care of it right now. Example. Don't worry, I'm on it. 20. Hard pass. This is a very direct and informal way to say, I refuse or no, thank you. Example. Thanks, but hard pass. 21. For what it's worth, use this to offer an opinion humbly, acknowledging it might not be important. It means, this is just my small opinion. Example. For what it's worth, we could wait. 22. I appreciate the heads up. A heads up is an advance warning. This phrase means, thanks for warning me. Example. I appreciate the heads up about delays. 23. Let's circle back. A very common business phrase meaning, let's return to this topic later. Example. Let's circle back after lunch. 24. Let's play it by ear. This means, let's decide what to do as we go, without a fixed plan. Example. We'll play it by ear tonight. 25. No pressure though. Add this after a request to show that it's optional and you don't want to make the other person feel obligated. Example. Share if you can. No pressure though. 26. That's a stretch. This means something is unlikely to happen or difficult to achieve. Example. Finishing today is a stretch. 27. It's a win-win. This describes a situation where everyone involved benefits. Example: the partnership is a win-win. And finally, 28. I'm game. A fun, enthusiastic way to say I'm willing to try or I'm up for it. Example: new format, I'm game. Fantastic work. By practicing these 28 phrases, you'll be able to express yourself more naturally and confidently in any English conversation. Thank you for watching Sassy Billa Classes.